In a previous video, I showed you how to do conditional formatting to highlight any date in the future. So these dates here, and the entire column is that way. So we look at our conditional formatting. If you haven't yet, go up to Format, Conditional Formatting, and you'll see this format here, or add another rule. Right now, we have the entire range A2 to F selected. So that's why it's highlighting the row, or at least part of the row. And our custom formula is B2 is greater than today with a parentheses. But we want to change this to only 1 week. So basically, the next week, or more than 7 days in advance, and under 14 days, we want to highlight. So that's what we do. We go and B2 is greater than today plus 7, comma, and we're going to copy this whole thing just before the comma, put it after the comma, and instead of greater than, we're going to do less than, and it's going to be plus 14. So we're going to say a date has to be between 7 and 14 days in advance, in parentheses, and there we go. We have now only highlighted those that are 7 to 14 days. If you want those to be inclusive, just do greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to today plus 14, and here it's greater than today plus 7. There you go. Now I think the 3 will be highlighted and the 10th will be highlighted. However, the 11th will not. See, so it's inclusive of 7 to 14 days in advance. There you go. That's how you highlight any date 1 week in the future. Done and dusted. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.